Investing in the stock market can be exciting, especially for a beginner. But if you're new, there's some things you might want to avoid. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 mistakes to avoid if you're a beginner in investing. The first beginner mistake to avoid is not diversifying your portfolio. Filling up your portfolio with 1 or 2 stocks may seem like a good idea, especially if you only know of a few companies, but it is a quick way to lose money. You rely on the performance of 1 to 2 stocks, and the price can fluctuate a lot. Instead, try having a diversified portfolio so you can avoid those large fluctuations, whether they're up or down. The second beginner mistake to avoid is not doing enough research. It's important to know the history of the company, the past performance of the stock, and how they stack up against their competitors. A good tip is to invest in what you know. Because you're already going to be interested in the topic, you might have a bit of background knowledge, and it'll be a little bit easier to gather more knowledge so you can make the proper investment. To start this, look up the ticker symbol and check out the company's most recent news. You'll find a lot of information there. The third mistake that beginners typically do is they buy and sell on emotions. Markets go up and down, and it's easy to get emotional when that's going on. If the stock price is down, you might be tempted to sell to avoid any further losses. Conversely, if the stock price is up, you may think you need to buy more before it gets even higher. Be level-headed and have a game plan. If you're deciding to hold it long-term, hold it long-term. Don't play into your emotions. Fourth beginner investing mistake to avoid is trading too frequently. While there are new apps like Robinhood that allow you to trade without transaction fees, it's very difficult to trade profitably on a daily basis. Most day traders lose money. The fifth and final beginner mistake to avoid in investing is investing too much. Only invest in what you're prepared to lose. There's no guarantees in the stock market. Find out a financial investment strategy that allows you to comfortably invest in stocks while also affording your monthly expenses. Do not go into debt to buy stocks. I hope this video on the top 5 beginner investing mistakes to avoid will help you make the right decisions. Remember, this is not financial advice. We do have an event on Thursday, June 24th at 10 a.m. You can check the link in the video, and we'd love to have you there. We have Sid Rajiv from Fundamental Research Corp joining us and presenting on ZIM2, and he'll be going through a recent report that they wrote that goes into price targets, future growth of the company, and a bit more detail about what ZIM2 does on a day-to-day basis. So we hope to see you there, and thanks so much. See you next time.